We have somehow managed.
And that too, Aman warned you in advance.
Yeah, I told.
What the hell? Like he tried to distract me from red lights, dude. Warn me in that seconds. You have to tell before that. No.
Okay, now it
I'll tell
won't
you
happen
now.
now.
Let's see who comes behind him now. In Mexico, that's what happened, right? Let's see. Okay, bro. Last race will be fun. Hey, bro, should have put rain or something, though.
It's dynamic, dude. Like known race is never fun. Girish, accept that.
I
Fuck
accept
wrong.
it. Oh, this Brazil. Brazil
You
should rain
just
like it.
you just played lap, bro. You didn't realize it's Brazil, bro.
No. That's what I was asking from that time. Like, which track is this?
What a guy, dude.
Interland.
Please be in Chetan.
I want
Yeah.
to know. Please. Who's behind Chetan? Not me.
No one.
No one.
I am first. I mean, I'm second.
I'm behind
Oh,
Girish.
fuck.
Oh my god. What happened, Girish? Why did you brake so much? My front wing.
Bro, Brazil and
My
first
front wing,
lap
he
is
just
Girish.
broke, dude, for no reason.
You hit me, dude, from back.
Yeah, you broke so early.
That's because
Like
I
when
had
you,
to avoid Aman.
yeah, I tried to brake. Yeah, even I tried to brake not to hit you, but I couldn't. I have front wing damage now. Ah, I can't.
Bro, in Brazil, if you have front wing damage, it's hard, dude.
Dude, Aman, move.
What do you mean
I
move,
know.
bruh?
Bro, I wanna play one clean race, dude. Let's restart, dude. I have front wing damage.
Hey, Goda. You just restart now.
Okay, put rain.
Bro, Girish.
It's
Okay,
no
okay, go.
like
Go, dude.
we had very dude. We'll closely follow each other, dude. That's how it will be. Always close. If we have damage, it won't be fun at all. Like once you pit.
Bro, that is first lap. Like, that's his racing incident, bro.
That's what I know, dude. Racing instead, but like for 18 more laps, will be like leading without any competition. That's it.
Dude, even
So
Let's
you
me,
keep
my
quit
it.
crash,
now.
dude, who knows?
Yeah.
You can't just, like, even I crashed so many times. I pitted second lap.
That's not what I'm telling, dude. It will be damn close if we
Bro,
are
he
damn
just
close to
wants
each
to
other
win,
without
bro.
damage.
Okay,
Bro, I
fine,
can,
restart.
bro, I can bet and give next race again someone will crash in the first lap.
See, even I spun out now. I'm, like, very far away from there.
That's what there is no fun. Like it'll be
What
like
do you mean no
impossible to
fun?
catch up.
18 laps, you
He
wait.
said he just spun, bro.
I know, bro. That's what I'm telling. Like 18 laps, it will be
But
like
you,
this.
I'm saying you just wait. Who knows? Like, it's
See, Chetan is ahead of me. He'll fucking not give me space. Chetan. Okay. Somehow
Already
avoided.
sure thing is better than who knows, right? Like if you don't have damage in like first 2 laps, it will be very nice race, dude.
Bro, Bharat really wants to win this race, bro.
Not
Okay,
win, dude.
dude.
I wanna
Chetan
have fun.
retired.
Not more than win. I wanna have fun. It's like 18 more laps, it will be
Uh,
same. Like it'll be
okay,
going
Chetan
front. I'll
retired.
be
No
coming here.
point. No point. Chetan retired.
Race officials have enabled DRS.
Let's come back
DRS
again.
is now available.
Fastest lap.
I just said Chetan fucking you shut up, okay? I said that before I finished my lap.
Car behind us is
I saw
Bro,
that.
for the most
I'm
by
very
around
good.
1 second per lap.
Okay,
bro,
we're
you
restarting
think?
over.
So we'll play for fastest lap then.
Dude, I have traffic ahead of me. Oh shit! What else?
Dude, I retired, dude. What? You are blaming me now also? I
Yeah,
retired long
Yeah,
he
he
back.
got
retired
retired.
before he hit you. He retired. This
He
Girish said
came
you are
and hit
fastest lap,
me.
no?
He came and
I'm
hit the
gonna lap
retired
this
card
up.
and like.
Dude, okay, dude. This one, irrespective of whatever happens, we're just playing, dude. You
Oh,
can't.
fuck, it won't be
Bharat
fun.
keeps complaining for
Finally.
first lap.
I'm competing for fastest lap. Wait, Girish hit, no?
and spectating.
Spectate, bro, spectate. I don't mind.
I love this track.
Yes! Yes! Take that, Girish. Yes! Okay, now
Okay, exit, dude.
Okay.
By how much, dude? Let's see.
I don't know. Let's see. Let's see. I don't know how much. It'll be pretty close. By a
It's
lot.
not so close. Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, that was not my fast lap also. There's so much
Okay,
collision
execute this.
traffic.
Okay, bro. This track, whatever the fuck happens, happens.
Yeah, dude. Even if
I
I
think
crash, I
it'll
don't
be
care.
me. Now that I'm saying it so much, it probably is gonna be me.
But you won't ask to restart, no?
I won't, bro. Fine, I gave my word. I won't ask for this.
Chetan, enter.
Bro, have you noticed in Brazil it's hard to change like that wing and all that stuff, the tires and stuff. There's no proper
There's
straight
no
road.
straight
Girish,
like
Yeah.
ready?
Agrees. It's funny that Chetan is telling now
Yeah, dude.
everywhere.
Chetan is like,
Because bro,
Getting back.
he's waiting.
Bharat.
Bharat.
It's loading, yeah, okay.
I hope I'm fourth, dude. Peacefully, I want to. Who's
I hope
in
I'm
front
first,
of
dude.
Oh fuck. First. Okay. Benne is
Who's
first.
second?
Me.
Who's second?
Me. Hey, Chetan. Fuck bro, it'll be too hard.
Good start, Aman. You can overtake Bharat. Dude, Bharat, don't. Shit, I almost hit him.
Fuck, that was an
Came
intense
from
start.
nowhere.
What
I
do you
was
mean? I'm
like,
in front of you. I can't come from nowhere.
Dude, you came from the out of the track.
Yeah, I have to come onto track, right? I won't go off track like that just because I went off track.
But you see and come. Completely is not enter. Go fast, guys. Why are you guys swimming so slow?
There's a fucking turn, bro. What do you mean go fast?
Go,
Safety
I
car
mean,
deployed.
Safety car.
safety
bro.
car.
How did that
Check out
happen?
top. Make sure you keep
Chetan.
it positive as we catch the pack.
What did I do?
No, what happened to the safety car? How did that happen?
Dude, Bharat, what are you doing?
I'm trying to maintain distance, dude. What the hell?
Dude, you don't come.
Maintain distance, bro. Don't come behind me.
Wait,
Why?
we have to catch up to the car first.
You can overtake, no, in that time. No.
No, you
I
can't.
think we can.
That's why it's safety car.
Safety car, how will you overtake?
I'll go to pit lane.
Alright, let's focus now for the
Shit,
rest
I
of the
missed it.
race.
So smart, fuck, bro. Bro, where's the car, dude?
Where is the key?
Where's the car, dude? Oh, finally came. Please don't hit anyone. It's right in front of you. Don't.
Shit, I
How to brake? Aman, brake. Bro, what do I do?
I told. Hey, Chetan retired from session again.
You
What
guys
happened?
played. I crashed.
That's the safety car. We're asking him that time why.
Touch, please. We
why-
need to close within 10 car lengths of the car ahead.
Who crashed into whom now?
No. Should we restart?
I mean, safety car anyway. Yeah, I could restart, bro. It's second lap. Fuck it. Let's restart. Let's exit. Restart. How did safety car come in second lap, dude?
It came in first lap only.
First lap only.
How did you crash, dude? Chetan?
Just like while taking corner turn.
Bro, Brazil is little, yeah. Bro,
Actually,
what
very
a
hard.
damn, bro. That was a very good, like, start for me. Yeah,
I could have only. But yeah, you kept it clean, so that was good.
yeah, yeah. You guys didn't crash behind, no? That was very clean.
Even I didn't crash. I was like Papa and everything.
Bro,
But he was going.
okay. Chetan, enter question.
Dude, I'm like
He's
hitting the
banging it,
button.
dude. You can hear it in
Are
Discord.
you using virtual keyboard?
No, dude. What the hell? How can I play with virtual keyboard? That is heights.
Because that will explain, bro.
You
That
remember
will
you
explain
used
why
to
you're
use.
crashing.
Yeah,
Dude, I
even
just
now I use
remember
it.
you were Chetan. So I
Even
have
now I
my
use it.
laptop on my
Yeah.
table, okay,
Uh,
and I have a monitor, right? I got from work. We can drink whatever we want,
mm-hmm.
and I keep it on my table and I sit on my bed, and I'm
A plus
lazy to
enter.
go till that to operate now.
Uh,
So I'll be like, I have a Bluetooth keyboard, whatever. But then
keyboard
whenever
you
I type, I'll
have.
be like, dude, I used to remember Chetan. He used to sit on the bed and he used to use virtual keyboard.
Oh,
He sleeps, dude, like no part of body moves. Only that wrist movement will be there with mouse. Wrist movement will be there. He'll type
I've noticed
whatever he
that
wants.
once. Like I
So
once,
that's epic, dude.
it was just me and Chetan. He's like, bro, I ordered food already. He ordered from phone, okay. Oh my god, no. Fuck it. I'll talk later.
Tell, dude.
No, I'm
Wait.
fourth, bro. Shut up.
I don't remember that.
Okay, Girish is in front of us. Okay.
Bro, let's restart the race, bro. Chetan is in front of me. Fuck no. Oh my god, Chetan.
I moved, dude.
What do you move? Girish almost crashed into Bharat. That was very close.
Yeah, I went off the track.
I think this is the cleanest first two corners I've ever taken in my life.
We're looking good from the start.
Hey bro, let's restart, bro.
Bro, you gave a word, bro.
What just happened?
Shit.
VSC deployed. The virtual
Yes.
safety car has
Chetan
been
retired again now.
What the hell? I could have. Oh, fuck, I could have overtaken Girish, dude.
positive delta.
Dude, this virtual safety car helped him. Oh my god.
Will the safety car come or no?
He'll
Safety
come
car
in
came.
sometime.
Just before I overtook Girish, safety car came.
Oh fuck, I have to catch up to the car and all.
Yeah, now you'll be just behind us, right?
Yeah, I can catch up now. What happened? Someone crashed into someone, is it? I mean, I spun a little bit.
Amma,
I know
I think
that.
Chetan crashed again in same spot.
Even nice fun. Bharat had a
VSC
nice
ending.
opportunity.
We're going green. Maintain positive delta until the green flags.
Oh, where is the safety car, bro?
Oh, safety car went off. What the fuck?
What the fuck?
Green flag.
Hey, bro, not fair, dude.
Virtual safety.
How's virtual safety?
Dude, now how do I catch up?
How will I catch up?
I was slowing down so much, like trying to heat up my tires and shit. Fucking it went off. Out of
Chill, bro, I'm
nowhere.
very fast. This is very, very hard.
DRS is now enabled and will be available to use when you are within 1 second of the car ahead in the DRS zone.
Honey badger.
I like Brazil, bro. I don't know why.
That's a nice striking match.
Yeah, it's
Like,
very nice.
something about it.
It's like
Like
right,
corners
left,
are
right, left.
perfect, right?
Yeah, yeah. It's
Like,
still
even though the
hard, but
space,
that's why it's good. Also in Brazil, you can't like take rest even
oh
for
shit,
1
like
second.
gone. Dude, it's gone, dude. Ah, my wing is gone. We are talking over the track and I fucking overshot one corner.
Where are you, bro? I think I'm very far. I need
No,
to.
dude, I can see you're right behind.
Yeah, here if
I
you don't have
crashed it.
wing, you're screwed, dude.
That was the
Then it
fastest lap
fast
of the race. Keep
Dude, I
this
was
up.
going properly, dude, that lap.
This was a very good fast lap. I wonder what a tire wiper went for.
Stop speculating about it.
I think he went for hard. No, medium more. Why, bro?
He'll pit again.
That's interesting. But
Dude,
next time if he
hard,
picks, he has to go for hard, right?
Dude, playing
No.
with controller and all this shit.
No, bro, you have to use all three. You can't use the same thing twice. Trust
No,
me.
you can't
No,
use
no, no, no.
only one for the whole race. That is the rule.
You have to
No,
use at
bro.
least 2 compounds.
Yeah. So I can use soft next.
Bharat is somewhere.
Do you focus on catching Bharat? Forget about my tires.
I know, bro.
Where is Bharat now? How many seconds ahead of you?
I can't see. I'm too
12,
focused.
12, 12.
12. Oh, Chetan is referee. He's the FIA.
Spectating.
Oh, he's enjoying. Like it. He's seeing.
Bro, this
He's
is hard,
learning
dude.
tactics, strategy.
Not as much as you know.
What, dude? I crashed. Even I crashed. Like this.
Yeah, if you remove focus for 1 second in Brazil, you can just like fuck off some corner.
20 seconds gone, dude. Pit stop. Dude, there's no fucking space, dude.
Do that thing, right, Tayo?
Yeah. I tried doing on the straight and I went off of it.
Again, or what?
No, I mean, okay, but I went little on the grass. But there's no space, dude. Like,
Yeah, I try to do it like 1-1-1, but it's hard.
shit, you guys are doing 1 minute 15 and I'm doing 1:17.
You just came out also, and also we have soft, by the way.
Hope I get some temperature.
A new strategy is available on the MFD. Copy that.
You're 20 seconds ahead of me. Over there. 20. Point.
I have a penalty.
Oh, come on, fastest. Yes.
We're approaching the pit window. You'll be on the mediums. Fuel is looking really good. You're managing it well.
Come on, did you pit?
Yep.
Bye bye.
I'm right behind you, don't worry.
I think we can belt up Bharat also. Oh shit,
You're doing fast this lap and let me put pressure on you.
No, I'm gone. Like that was only. I'm losing now. 1 second for that, 2 seconds for that. And I just got a penalty for cutting.
You want to pit this lap? So push now.
Dude, my tires are shit. Too far away.
going to start losing some tyre grip around now.
How far away is Bharat in front of you? Aman?
34 seconds. He's
34!
pretty far away.
Remember, box this
Yeah.
lap. Keep an eye
Oh,
on
he hasn't
distance to the
bitten.
speed limit
That's
line
what-
as you
Yeah, he
approach,
hasn't
and
pitted.
make sure you don't
But
speed.
even if he pits, he's far ahead, dude.
How, dude?
Because it'll take 20 seconds to pit stop, dude. What do you think?
No, I mean, I'm like, how did he manage to get 34 seconds?
There's no one to put pressure also, right? Peacefully going.
How did you get into
I
this
had-
pit? What the hell? I couldn't get into the pit only. I damaged my wing also.
You can just say box this lap, and that will show you the line.
The line is
Yeah,
fine,
yeah.
but yeah, I hit that barrier.
You pit or no?
Yeah, I pitted just now.
You'll get your win.
Look after these tyres now.
Yeah,
You'll
man,
finish the
overtake
race
dude
on
if you
this
can.
compound.
No, bro, he's out of the pits. Very tight. I think I made a mistake with my pit strategy. Should have pitted like a 1.5 lap, 2 laps early, but hard to somehow.
What happened?
I should have pitted like 2 laps early, but I should have pit hard to somehow.
But why? Your tires are bad.
No, I mean it would have given me a chance to catch up to Bharat because by the time like I came, he's also on medium now, and he came after me, right? Unless he spins or something like crazy, it'll be hard for me to catch up to him.
Very hard to make. But I mean,
It's
Like,
I mean
either
if
you
you
make-
lose focus, yeah.
There's
Yeah,
5
that's
laps of
all.
fuel remaining.
how many seconds ahead of you?
8 seconds. It was 10, I think. I don't know. I am not looking at that time. He's not making any mistakes also.
Then- No.
Did your wings go or something?
In the starting, yeah.
No. Whose radio is that, dude?
Mine. Oh shit.
What happened? Huh?
Dude, I was trying to see some MFD shit.
Fuck. Does that mean safety car? Wait, are you out of the session?
Yeah, dude, I
Fuck.
was screen and I hit
Then there's no point, dude. Just 2 more laps, or I'll catch up unless he fucks up.
I know. You put rain.
Yeah, I know. It's okay, I'll experiment. I feel like I can still go faster on this track. I just don't know where I'm not putting accelerator. Girish, in the last but 2 turns, like, I'll tell you when to see my screen here. Tell me.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll tell you where. Okay, I want to know if I can put more accelerator at this turn or something. Just tell me. Okay.
Fuck, I'm watching something.
I got lost sometime.
You have 2 laps of
No,
fuel
bro,
remaining.
he's still like.
Yeah, you took a very long cut. You should take the inside there.
Oh, okay. There I should put inside. Okay.
But even I always, I think the best way is inside. Like I got
Yeah.
once or twice, that was very fast. And you were very fast.
So here, do you put brake or something? No, right?
I used brake everywhere there's red. I mean, I personally, Bharat never used it.
So here, do you put accelerator now?
Wait, let me change the view.
Go to my driver view.
Yeah.
So now you put brake. Do you put accelerator now?
Yeah. Look, basically follow the racing line. Then you know when to go. Like then it depends. If you overshoot, then it depends on like where you are. Like driving the real car.
Oh.
This is your final lap of the race.
Yeah, this was nice. Now you try to take the inside at the end. Fully, yeah, like exactly. Easy mode. Yeah, now see it's very smooth. You go get up.
Shit. Penalty. I tried to do what you said, but then
Yeah,
penalty
but
came
you
out.
took the right turn and
But this was my
right
fastest lap, by the way, so that was like a good tactic.
Well, that was not the
Mine, not his. I made that one mistake there. No. I do have one more lap.
Dude, you have only 6 seconds behind me.
Yeah, I did a fastest lap, my fastest lap, right? I was catching up.
Yeah,
I got
but
green.
you don't
This
have
was
time. It's only
this is
18
also a
laps.
green sector for me.
But it's only 18 laps. It's already done.
Yeah.
You don't hit the check that lap.
Yeah, I think like I realized where I'm making mistakes now, but I think I was getting green this time.
Dude, this track was good for me. Lost my game.
Hey bro, last race was slow one.
See, that's what I do, Papa. How are you
Okay.
spectating you? Chetan by seriously, you're patient.
But I think he's also like trying to figure out right where he could break.
But that day he was playing decently only. Chetan. Today I don't know why he's going so slow.
Keyboard.
I think keyboard he's not used to that. So bro, it happens, bro. Even keyboard for me was so hard
Oh,
starting.
you're using
You don't have
keyboard.
control in a room.
No, my hands are paining, dude.
Yeah, bro.
You could,
Bro, Chetan, experiment with that
just,
this thing, bro.
you could just buy some 300 400 controller, dude.
Benny,
I'll
our
buy this.
fastest laps are like so close.
Where is it? I didn't see it.
Mine and Girish are like
1.1.
what? 0.0,
111, right?
0.07 or something. 0.07.
Bro, Chetan practicing some like big tracks, bro, and like that this thing and all.
Yeah, I'll try practicing and
Okay,
I'll try
guys.
these controllers.
You guys also sleep. I'll go get
Oh,
some
bro.
snacks. Good night. See you guys.
Cool. Good night, guys.
Yeah, see you,
Talk
bro.
to you soon. Bye.
Bye.